How to share phone screen with TV. You can share your phone screen with your TV using several methods. So the best one here is if you're on your Android phone, so make sure that your phone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So once it's connected to the same Wi-Fi, what you're going to do, you're going to open your screen mirroring. So for example, on a Samsung device, if you go to the control panel or the notification panel here, so here look for cast or screen mirroring based on the phone that you have. Each one varies, and if it's a Samsung, you will have this Smart View. So since I have Smart View, just click that. So based on your device, you will have different type of screen mirroring app here. So open it up, and then now what it will do, it will look for your TV. So it will search for your available devices. So once your TV is detected, so select your TV and then approve the connection. So once you approve the connection, and that's it, your TV will be connected. And if you're using on your iPhones, similarly, what you can do, just open up your control center by swiping down from the top right corner and then tap on screen mirroring, and then you go to simply select your TV from the list. And then once that's done, all you have to do is just approve the connection, and that's it. It will be connected to your TV, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.